Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove bottom row in Power Query. So let's start this my Excel sheet and here simply select the inside the cell to convert this data in table. So I just press the Control T to convert this data in table. And here you can see the one dialog box is open to create table. Simply click on OK and here you can see your data is converted into a table. After that, go to the data tab in get and transform data. Click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources. Then click on the from table or range. And here you can see your Power Query editor will open. And in this data, I want to remove the bottom row. So I want to remove the 9, 10 and 11. These are the three row I want to remove from the bottom. For that, simply select the full data. Okay, you can select the inside the cell, same as you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Okay, then go to the Home tab. In the Reduce Rows group, click on the Remove Rows drop down arrow and click on the Remove Bottom Rows. Okay, so here you can see one dialog box is open. Remove bottom row. Specify the how many rows to remove from the bottom. So I want to remove the 3 rows from the bottoms, right? So enter the 3. If you want to remove the 4 row from the bottom, so you can enter here 4 also. So I just enter here 3 and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see 9, 10, 11, all 3 rows is removed from this data. Okay. And just go to the Home tab and click on the Close and Load in your Excel. Just click on the Close and Load, and that's it. Your data is loaded in your Excel. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.